All right, we're going to take a look at session recording, session monitoring now within Secret Server, the platform. So let's get right to it. So what we're going to do here is we're on the screen here for session review. And what this gives us is the ability to see all the recorded sessions that we have within the system. And then we have some that are regular recorded sessions, and then we have some that are analyzed. We're going to take a look at both. So if we come in here, we're going to take a look at this particular session here. We'll see that it is a regular recorded session with just video. And so we can come in here, we can play along, we can fast forward and just get along with the session. So if it was a 2-hour session, you'd be watching it for 2 hours. Now, we have another way of doing it, and it's called Analyze Session here. We have this green button here, and we're going to take a look at a session that's already been recorded and analyzed. So let's get right to it. So the reason why we're doing this, a couple fold, is one is for training purposes, and the other would be for remediation process if something happened, an event occurred, and we needed to take a deeper look at what actually transpired. So come in here and let's take a look at an analyzed session here, and we're going to take a look at one that I did a little while back. It has a little flavor of all of the particular aspects that were recorded within that particular session. So I'm going to come in here and type in Bert. Simply come in here, and that's how you can easily find all your videos that you've done in the past. We're going to watch this one, and we're going to see that this one now has a heat map, and we also see the play-by-play over here on the right-hand panel of all the actions that happened within the video. So the beauty of this is that we can skip to where these events occurred within the video. So everything from screens popping up to text being entered in, to browser sessions being recorded, and all these different aspects that are within this video. So we see this, we have this, and we can also then see all the metadata that's been applied to this particular video. And as we take a look, we can see also as the video goes, we can see that it is also, we can scroll along here on the right hand panel here, and we can see events that are happening within the video as well. We can even search in the video for other events that have occurred. So you can see that on the right hand panel here, it's going through and it's notating everything that's been happening within the video. So that is what we have for session recording and analyzing a video within Secret Server and the platform. So thank you for watching.